Hello everyone. Welcome to the solution of LeetCode problem 841 named keys and rooms. In this problem, we are given n rooms level from 0 to n-1 and all the rooms are locked except for the room 0. Now, your goal is to visit all the rooms. However, you cannot enter a locked rooms without having its key. When you visit a room, you may find a set of distinct keys in it. Each key has a number on it, denoting which room it should unlock. And you can take all of them with you to unlock the other rooms. Now, we are given an array rooms where room of I is the set of key that you can obtain it if you visit the room I. Now, return true if you can visit all of the room, otherwise return false. Now, let's consider this example here. The first array is 1. First room has the key 1, second room has the key 2, third room has the keys 3, and so on. Sorry, here the indexing starts from 0. So the room number 0 has keys 1, room number 1 has keys 2, room number 2 has keys 3, and room number 4 does not have any of the key. So here we can visit room 0 and pick up the key 1. So we can visit room 1 by using this key and pick up the key 2. And we can visit the room 2 by using this key and pick up the key room 3. So we can visit the room 3. Since we can visit all of the 4 rooms, so we have to return true. Otherwise, we have to return false. I hope you understood the problem statement. Now let's move on to the algorithm. In this problem, to understand the algorithm, we have taken the first example here. The number of rooms is 4. That means the room should be 0, 1, 2, and 3. So we have to determine whether we can visit all of the nodes or all of the rooms by using the key. Now, initially, at first, we will solve this kind of problem by using the DFS algorithm. So for DFS, we need an adjacency list in which we can determine from any room in which rooms I can travel. So from the room 0, it has the key 1. So we can travel to the room 1. Now from the room 1, we can travel to the room 2. From the room 2, we can travel to the room 3. And from the room 3, we cannot travel any of the room because it is empty. Now this is the adjacency list. So the basic algorithm is we have to start DFS from the node 0 or the room 0, and by using the adjacency list given here, we have to simply determine how many rooms we can visit. So here the DFS start from the node 0. So here it has the value 1. So from room 0, we can go to the room number 1. But before that, when we visit the room 0, we have to mark room 0 visited and room number 1 visited. Now, from the room 1, we can go to the room 2. So we have to mark the room 2 visited. So from the room 2, we can go to the room 3. So we can mark room 3 as visited. So here we can see that from 3, we cannot go anywhere else. Now, we have in total 4 rooms, 0, 1, 2, 3. Fortunately, all of them are visited. So here we have to return true. Otherwise, By performing the DFS, we will not able to reach any of the node. We have to simply return false. And overall time complexity of this algorithm is big of n, where n is the number of rooms presented here. I hope you understood the algorithm. Now let's move on to the code. In this problem, the code is pretty simple. At first, we are given a function named can visit all rooms, which has a vector array as parameter. Now we are initializing the visited array with false for all of the rooms and calling the DFS function in the first room. So inside the DFS function, let's make the node visited here. And if the current node is already visited, we can simply return. After that, for each of the children of the node in the adjacency list, we have to recursively call the DFS function for each of the children. Finally, for each of the entry in the visited array, if the visited array entry is false, that means this node is not visited yet, so we have to return false, otherwise we have to return true. I hope you understood the code. Thank you everyone for watching the video. We will get back soon with another LeetCode solution.